Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, a little bit special, because what I want to do is to kind of sum up all the previous videos that I've done before. So basically means today there's going to be no slides, but what there is going to be me actually writing a paragraph. There's no scripts, there's nothing. It's just that whatever pops up, and at that time I'm going to show you the step-by-step that's required to write a proper paragraph. Now, hopefully this will help you understand the previous videos, okay? And hopefully this will also be a good example, or maybe a very quick example of how to write different types of topic sentences, or writing a paragraph very briefly and a closing sentence, okay? Depending on how smooth it goes, okay? We're going to try this. Okay, playing it by ear, we'll see how it goes, and hopefully it goes really well, because to be honest, I'm pretty excited, because this is basically the main things that I like to do, is actually show the people watching the video that you can do this, okay? And hopefully I can show you some tips and techniques to help you write, okay? So let's start writing, okay? The first thing we have to think about is, what do we want to write? Okay, now, if it's a homework assignment, the teacher or your professor or whoever you're writing for is going to they probably give you the assignment. Okay, for example, let's think of assignment. Let's think of it as, okay, first, school. Okay, so if the school is going to be the subject, then what do we want to say about school? Well, there's many things you can say about school. You can say how I like school, I don't like school, or you can talk about the different types of subjects in school. Now, this is where it makes it very difficult, because whoever teaches you will give you the subject, but however you write it is going to be up to you. So here's the thing. How do we write? Okay, I can give you the subject, for example, subject in school. Okay, so you say, okay, what do I want to write about school? Because if we want to do a topic sentence, okay, we have to take two things. Okay, and the first thing that we have to do is, okay, is what do we want to write about? Okay, and the second thing is, okay, controlling idea. Okay, the subject that we want to write about, or the topic that we want to write about. Okay, how or okay, or basically how do we want to handle this? Okay, how do we want to handle the subject? Okay, and the easiest way is, okay, for example, if you want to talk about school, okay, maybe you want to talk about different subjects, maybe you want to talk about your feelings about school. Okay, well, the easiest I guess would be is, okay, think of your topic sentence. Okay, if I want to talk about topic sentence, I would say, wait, how do you write the topic sentence? Remember my previous video, I said the easiest way is to write, there are, and then three may be long, so let's just pick two. There are two now. Is it two people at school? Two reasons? Two, now remember I said things are, okay, then two subjects, okay, or is it two different aspects? Okay, now, so this is where writing is hard. It's hard not because of grammar. It's hard not because of vocabulary. Why it is hard is that we have to think. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is, what do we want to write about? Okay, there I will say, well, there are two reasons why I like, okay, to go to school. Okay, now we could also say there are two reasons why I like school. Like we can, okay, sorry, not a question mark, but just period. This is a topic sentence, okay? And topic sentence, okay, when I said the easiest way to write is just write it in the beginning. And because it's the first sentence, 땡겨, okay? Don't 띄어대. Because why? Paragraph is first part indent. Okay, now here's the problem. 여기서 enter, no. 다시 돌아가면서, okay, space. Okay, there are two reasons why I like school. Okay, two reasons 했으면, okay, then what do we have to say? Okay, well, easiest way is transition. First reason I like to go to school is, okay, is to meet my friends. Okay, you thought because I was going to write I want to learn. No. Okay, let's be realistic here. Okay, now if we say there are two reasons, Okay? 그러면 첫 번째 이유는 딱 정확하게 말해. Explain what the reason is. Okay? There are two reasons why I like school. Okay? The first reason why I like school is so 다시 그건 그냥 백혀. Okay? First reason I like school. Okay? Or okay, the first reason. Okay, say, well, let's fix this. Okay, the first reason, okay, I like to go to school is to meet my friends. Now, that's your first point. Remember, topic, sentence, point. Now, where, why is meeting friends important? Okay. Now, or you say, how is this, okay, important? So this is where we call the detail. Okay, so we got our topic, sentence. 여기 방금 우리가 포인트 작성했으니까 그 다음은 okay, 안내. Okay, no, that's later. So 그럼 이유, okay, or 증거, or facts. Okay, so we try to put information here. Okay, or if you want to write a report, you can say according to 뭐뭐뭐뭐뭐 그렇게 할 수도 있고. But very simple. This is just a very simple expressive type of paragraph. So there are two reasons why I like to go to school. First reason why I like to go to school is to meet my friends. Okay. I have many things that I want to talk about. Okay. So so when I go to school, okay, so when I go to school, okay, I can talk with my friends. Okay. Now we got our first point, we got our second point. Now if it's very content, we can say another reason, or we can add more. Okay, and we can add more explanation. Okay, for example, we said first reason I want to go to school is meet my friends because I have many things I want to talk about. So when I'm at school, I could talk with my friends, and you can 조금 더 설명할 수도 있고. Okay, at home, it is not easy to talk to my parents, and you can say brother or sister. 여기 이렇게 어떻게 적을 수도 되고, or siblings. Okay, about some issues. Okay, and you could say some issues. Okay, and 여기서 another point. Okay, 친구 만나는 이유는 말하기 좋으니까. 근데 왜 어떻게 친구 만나면 또 말하기 좋고. But now, how do we know the point? Okay, so we got information, explanation. Now 더 쉽게 하려면 for example. Okay, for example는 거의 뒤에 받치는 거 더 쉽고 앞에 받치면 되게 힘들어. See, there's for example, big 실수. 어떤 학생들은 there are two reasons why I like to go to school. First reason I like to go to school is meet my friends. For example, no. Okay. Point 만들었으면 you have to support the point. Don't say for example. For example is more like very 낮은 level. It's more like what middle school kids would say. Okay. For example, who's your favorite musical group? I like BTS. For example. What do you mean for example? Tell me the reason. Tell me the points. Tell me the explanation. For example, none is to help people understand your information. Help people understand your point. Okay. For example, my parents will not feel comfortable not feel comfortable talking about dating with me. Okay, so I rather meet my friends and talk with them, about, and you could say boys or girls, about my dates. And there it is. It's very simple. Now second point is when you finish, say second reason, or you can use another transition. Another reason, moreover, in addition, okay, these transitions are like listing. 왜 또한, 추가. Okay, 그럼 어떤 transition 선택하든 본인이 마음이지만, but make it clear so that the 읽는 사람은 확실히 새로운 포인트 움직이는 거 알고 있으라고. Okay, okay. Second reason I like to go to school. 이거 되게 간단하게 왜 structure 똑같아잖아. Okay, is to learn about math. Okay, 이거는 math 안 해도 되고. Okay, for example, you can put other thing, or you can say I want to study, learn 아니고, or you can say I want to 다른 이유 여기 쓸 수 있고. If you don't like subject, maybe talk about teacher, maybe you can talk about activity, you could talk about maybe program. 그럼 본인이 마음이고. But 확실하게, this is the second point. Okay, where math is important, okay, for me, for my future, okay, because I want to be an engineer. Okay, now 공대 가고 싶다고 그 수학이 중요하다. Now here's another problem. Some people 잘못하는 거 여기서 잘못해. Second reason I like to go to school is to learn about math. 점. 포인트 끝났잖아요. 근데 점 안 하고 I want to learn math. Okay, I want to learn math or learn about math. Okay, is because 설명했지만 먼저 일단 그 second point 정확하게 끝나고 then after the period then 다시 설명해. Okay, for example, second reason why I go to school is to learn about math because because 딱 끝나고 and then 다시 설명해. Okay, math is important, or I want to learn math because. Okay, and 설명해. Okay. So there's some, and so you want to be an engineer. Okay, math also. Okay, or being good at math. Okay, being good at math can, okay, help me get many other jobs in case I don't want to become an engineer. Okay. 그러니까 so point you 설명. Okay. Now 보기 할 수도 있고 or compare 할 수도 있고. Okay. Whereas if I study only language, I will have a hard time getting job in science, or I'll have a hard time getting jobs that relate to math. 그러니까 비교할 수도 있고 반대할 수도 있고. 근데 right now I got my topic sentence. Okay, right here. There are two reasons why. Okay, I like to go to school. Okay, 딱 여기. Okay, so we got our topic sentence. The first reason, okay, and we got here is our transition. Oh, 너무 깜깜하게. Maybe hard to see, so maybe I'll change that color to something else. Okay, yeah, okay. And the second reason is right here. Okay, so let's do the transitions. And this is where a lot of people don't realize transitions are very important. 되게 중요해. Okay, and now 마무리하려면, okay, transition first. Okay, therefore, okay, meeting friends and learning math, okay, are the reasons why I like to go to school. Good. Very simple paragraph. Okay. It doesn't have to be hard, doesn't have to be long, but hopefully you can understand this is how it works. And you got another therefore here. So we got our final transition. Okay. So if you're able to look at the different types of transitions, then you will know that this is how important transitions are. Okay. Now I'm going to finish the video here because this is a good example. Maybe next video I'll do another maybe one or two. Okay, so this way you'll have different types of examples with different subjects. Okay, but for today this is where I'll stop, and I want to say thank you. Okay, and if you actually like what I'm doing, hopefully, okay, you'll be able to click like. Okay, and hopefully that you'll be able to support this video. Okay, thank you. Well, if you enjoyed this video, hopefully you'll be able to press the like button or subscribe. Okay, I want after today's video, I think I'll probably post maybe one or two more examples. Okay, and do actually some kind of not live because this is recording, but like actual writing in front of you. Okay. Well, if you enjoy it, thank you. Bye bye.